Welcome to day 5. Today we unveil the powerful world of formulas. Hey everyone, it's Diane, your guide through this Excel journey. Think of formulas as Excel's language, a way it converses with numbers. Every cell has its unique address, and referring to them is like guiding Excel on where to look. And then comes the math. With operators, it's like giving Excel its instructions. Add here, subtract there, and multiply everywhere. But did you know there's a way to speed things up? Why repeat when you can use autofill? And have you ever gotten confused between relative and absolute cell references? By the end of today, these terms will be tools in your Excel toolkit. Imagine the possibilities: crunching numbers, predicting trends, or balancing your budget, all at the tip of your fingers. With formulas, Excel's magic is yours to command. And if formulas have you intrigued, why stop there? Dive deeper with our Excel Simplified course. Check out the link in the description. Also, remember to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any step of this 10-day challenge.